Today, we're making an extra crispy roast pork. This is such a good recipe, you won't want to miss it. Prices of roast pork have skyrocketed, but this is such a delicious dish that we can make it at home for a fraction of the cost. Eating it with rice, noodles, or just as a snack is so good. So, let's get cooking. For the seasoning, measure out 1 teaspoon of 5 spice, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're using 2.5 pounds of pork belly with skin on. We'll use skewers or a sharp pointy object to poke holes into the skin. This will help the skin bubble up. Next, flip the pork belly over and cut grooves into the meat side, not cutting all the way through, but just enough into the meat so that we can get some seasoning and flavor into the meat. Then we'll apply our dry seasoning mix onto the meat side of the pork belly and rub it in using our fingers. Make sure to fully cover all the meat and get inside those cuts. Transfer the pork belly skin side up onto the aluminum foil sheet. We'll use the aluminum foil to create an aluminum foil boat to hold our pork belly. Fold up the sides to create this boat. Next, we'll apply a thin layer of white vinegar to the pork belly skin. This will help dry out the skin and allow us to get a super crispy pork belly. In an air fryer set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, allow the pork belly to dry for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, apply neutral oil to the pork belly skin. This will get us the crispy roast pork we love. Allow the pork to cook in the air fryer for 40 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This can burn, so be sure to keep an eye on it around 30 to 40 minutes. We're looking for crispy, not burnt. We can then remove the roast pork from the air fryer. Look how bubbly and crispy that is. Yum. So crispy. We can then use a cleaver to chop into pieces. Listen to how crispy the roast pork is. There's so much flavor in the pork, it's like takeout but better. And did I mention this only costs about $17? That's about half the cost you'd pay eating out these days for roast pork. If this sounds good and looks delicious, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what your favorite dish is to eat with roast pork. We'll see you next time.